Morning class. In our today's lesson, we are going to see how we can write down the structural formula from the given IUPAC name of organic compounds. That means now we'll do just the opposite. IUPAC name will be given to you. Now from that, how we can draw the structure of the given compound. So to understand this, we'll take an example. Say for example, we'll take how to write down the structure of 3-methyl 5-hydroxy hex 3-EN-Al. Okay, now we'll go by step, so please try to understand how we are writing the structure of this IUPAC name. So first you have to identify how many carbon atoms should be there in the parent or straight chain. So there is a term called hex. Hex means 6 carbon atom. If it is pent, 5, but 4. So since it is hex, we draw 6 carbon atom in a straight chain like this, connected with each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fine. Okay. Now, after that, the second step will be we'll give the numbering to each carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fine. Okay. Now, after that, what we can do is we can place the different functional groups at different positions. So for example, at 3 we have got En. En means a double bond, so we'll place a double bond over here at 3 carbon atom. Got it? So first we'll write down the straight chain compound with the parent name, then we'll number it. After that we'll paste the functional group, say for example En, so 3En. Now after that we'll try to place the other functional groups, the substituent as well as the last suffix. Say for example 3-methyl, that means at 3 carbon atom we have got a methyl, so this is the 3 carbon atom. Okay, methyl. At 5 we have got hydroxy. Hydroxy means OH, so this is the carbon number 5, we place OH. Fine. After that we have left with Al, and the position of that is not given. That means if the position is not given, it is understood that it is 1. And Al stands for aldehyde. When you have got aldehyde, we write it as Al, and it is present at 1. That means the last carbon atom we need to make it as a aldehyde group, C double bond O and H. Fine. Now we have placed all the substituents and the functional groups. Now the last thing will be, now we need to satisfy the valency of carbon. The carbon has got the valency 4, so we need to satisfy by adding hydrogen. Remember that a carbon have only 4 bonds. Say for example in the first case there is no need of adding of hydrogen because it has formed 4 bonds, 2, 3, 4. But here we have got only 2 bonds, so 2 hydrogens are getting added. So 2 hydrogens get added. In this already 4 bonds, no need to add. In this case we have got 2 and 3, so 1 hydrogen gets added. Now in this carbon number 5 we have got 3 bonds, so 1 hydrogen is get added. And lastly over here it has got only 1 bond, so 3 hydrogens get added. So this is the final structure of 3-methyl 5-hydroxy hex 3-EN-Al. Got it? So this is the way, or these are the steps how we can write down the structural formula from the given IUPAC name. So based on the same concept, today's assignment number 4 is draw the structures of the following compounds. Number 1, 2,3-dimethylbutane. Number 2, 3-methyl but 2-En-1-OL. Number 3, 3-aminopropane. Number 4, 5-chloropentane 2-on. 5, hex 3-En-OIC acid. 6, 2-chloro-2-methylbutane 1-L. Okay, so in a similar way how we have seen the writing the structural formula, write the structural formula and send it in my mail.